Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we are going to see what is RSI and how we can use this technical indicator into actual trading. Right? So, what is RSI? RSI is Relative Strength Index, generally also called as momentum indicator or momentum oscillator, because it is mainly get calculated to ensure the overbought and oversold conditions. So generally it is get calculated from 0 to 100. It is a only indicator. We can use this to get actual trades. So what the mainly the famous traders do, they actually ensure and enable the 14 period RSI level and draw the upper limit line and the lower limit line in the RSI chart. They generally keep 70 as upper limit line and 30 as lower limit line, but many a times the expert traders, what they do, they keep the upper limit line is at 80 and the lower limit line is at 20. So when market moves in upward and in down and downward direction like this, if the market goes in the downward direction and stays in this area, this is called as oversold condition. So it is most dark probability that the market may rise and go in upward direction at as the oversold condition. That means bears are losing their strength and bears are gaining their strength again, right? So when the market moves in upward direction, as the market moves in upward direction, when it crosses the 70 line or 80 line, this is called as overbought condition. So when it is dark probability that the market will again come down. So it happens very frequently as it is oscillating from up to down. It is also, that's why it is also called as momentum oscillator, right? So this area is generally called as overbought condition. So it is again said that it is a very dark probability that it will again come down. So but I strongly recommend you that to do not use this RSI indicator alone to take a trade. This is just a confirmation. This can be just used for confirmation of overbought and oversold condition, but to take a trade I strongly recommend to not to use this indicator alone. So to use this, I strongly recommend to again use another technical indicators that is called as stochastic RSI. This is also an oscillating indicator. So when these two indicators reaches to the bottom part, generally what the traders do, they take the long position and just don't forget to put the stop loss, because as the trend get reversed, you may faces the subsequent losses, right? This is an example of how to take a long position. Now to take a short position, you can see this area. This is going in downward direction. As the RSI level is now at this point is 74, which is crossed over 70 line. That means we can consider this as overbought condition, right? Overbought condition. That means the bears can take the charge now. That means the bulls are losing their strength, and that the market price will fall down subsequently. That is the most probable forecast, we can say that. As I can see, the RSI level is at 77 and stochastic RSI also at overbought condition. So I can take the short position at this point and I can place the subsequent stop loss at the upper side over here. Just I can take the short position over here. I put the stop loss over here at 2% and can keep the take profit at whatever you want to do, as you want to keep the risk to reward ratio as per your convenience. You can get into the profitable trade, but sometimes the trade may get inverse or against you. because some of the disadvantage of this RSI level is that when the price action moves, sometimes the RSI level stays many times in the overbought condition or oversold condition. So in that time the trade may get reversed. So I strongly recommend you that always apply stop loss when you take the trade, right? So I always keep the stop loss to minimize my risk factor and also to secure my funds, right? So in this way you can use this RSI technical indicator for trading, right? I am repeatedly telling you that this is not a financial advice. So if you are not able to take a trade, don't take a trade unless you are become an expert, right? Always use a stop loss to reduce the losses. So this is just a basic funda about how to use RSI for the trading, right? So that's it from this video. Till then, keep learning and do the safe trading as always. Thank you.